Okay, y'all, I have a fun video today. I have been out running errands and I worked out this morning and I literally got this box on my porch this morning. And when I opened it up, I decided I was going to do a quick unboxing with you all because apparently some people like unboxings. So I did open it, but I didn't go into it. All the stuff is here, all the goodies are here. This is a mystery box from Daily Grace Co. And I'm going to go through some stuff. I do not know even what's in it. And I order several things from Daily Grace Co. So I even may have some stuff from them. And I will be giving them to you all if I have duplicates. Okay, so let's get started. I hope this paper rattling is not going to be too much. All right, so the first thing we have is prayers for anxiety. So these are like little prayer cards. We have 31 days of prayer, and I do have this, so I will be giving this one away to one of you all. So that's one thing. I've heard really good things about these pens. Let me know in the comments if you've seen these pens and if you like them. So those who don't know the Daily Grace Co., it is a Christian company who does a lot of Bible studies. They are known for their Bible studies. I'm getting ready to be in Job soon. They have a Bible study on Job, and I'm getting ready to do The Joy That Endures. As many of you know, my name is Lisa. My channel is Jesus and Joy. And I looked at this and I thought, okay, I want to do this. And maybe it can be discussions with you all as well. So that was not in my mystery box. So these pens, I've heard really good things. Ooh, got highlighters. I don't know if they can beat the Believe highlighters, but we'll see. Prayers for your day. I definitely have this one, so I want to be giving this one away. So as of right now, I'm going to give you both these two things together. So that's one. Bible study cards. I'm looking forward to seeing what that is all about. And this is Be Strong and Courageous. Don't be terrified or afraid. Of course, I don't have my glasses with me, but this looks like to be a journal, maybe. I don't want to unwrap the paper because I know, let me mute this. Okay. I know I have been on some videos where people are unraveling things or unwrapping things, and it's really bad on the ears. So yes, this is a journal, and this is Beloved. How belonging to Jesus secures your identity. Looking forward to looking into that one. Draw near to God. A collection of course, I can't read it. My eyes are getting worse and worse the older I'm getting, y'all. Prayers and blessings. Oh, I do have this one, and you will be getting it. I am. I have not started this one, so maybe we can start it together. But this is I am who Jesus is. Who Jesus is changes everything. So this is probably the study of the I am statements. And never too far gone. I don't have that one. When fear meets faith. I don't have that one. Oh, y'all, I have this one. So this one will be going to you all. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is going to be one giveaway. Actually, we're going to make it really good. So I'm going to give these three things. We'll do two giveaways. These three things will be one giveaway. And this Bible Themes Handbook, which is phenomenal. I have it. I love it. Probably one of my top three things at the Daily Grace Co. So that's for you. All right. So then I also wanted to talk about one of my videos. I said that we are going to do a girl talk at the end. So wanted to see if we can talk about fitness. One of the 5 F's that I have is faith, family, friends, finance, and fitness. And so I am now 57, and I decided probably about a year ago that I am going to invest in a trainer, but I share her with 3 other women. So it really only cost me like $10. And also, I belong to the gym that she teaches one of the class. So I get her twice a week, and then I do some stuff at home. I have a rebounder that I do, which is so fun. I just go on there for 5 or 10 minutes, listen to a podcast, and just bounce. And that's one thing. And then I have weights that I do 1 day a week. So I'm with my trainer twice a week, but I only pay $10 once a week. I'm with her in a group class, so that's twice. I do the rebounder a little bit, and I lift some weights. But I will say that I need to walk more. I do need to walk more. Put in the comments of what you all do or what you plan to do, because we need to be working out and getting muscles. It is so important. I don't know if diagnosed is the word, but I was diagnosed with osteopenia, I think it's called. And it's the precursor to osteoporosis. And so I decided that I need to make sure I'm eating lots of protein. I need to make sure that I'm lifting lots of weights. So it's very important that we do that. So I just wanted to see if we can make a pact that just do one thing. Even if it's 5 minutes, just do one thing. If it's push-up, do push-ups. You can do dips, do something. But I can't stress enough how important it is the older that we're getting, that we're taking care of ourselves. And we want to age backwards, not age forwards. So hope that helps. Hope that was a little quick girl talk. I don't want it to be preachy by any stretch, because listen, I eat too much candy. But I know what the Trinity is. I've known it my whole life. But for some reason, it just clicked one day that he is living inside each of us. And when they say the body is our temple, it's for him. And so when I'm eating my candy or I'm not exercising, I don't feel like it, I'm not giving him what he deserves. So just keep that in mind, that, the God, the Father, the Holy Spirit, that Holy Spirit is in us, and that's our body. All right. Hope y'all have a wonderful week, and go spread some Jesus and joy. Love y'all. Thanks. Okay, y'all, me again. I am the worst YouTuber. I have this giveaway of these things from the Daily Grace Co., and I forgot to let you know how to enter into a contest. So if you would, in the comments, put Jesus and joy, and I want you to put a little running emoji. It could be male or female, because male or female can win this. So just put Jesus and joy and put a running emoji. All right, y'all, have a wonderful week. Go do something. Just go walk, go do something. All right. Love y'all. Bye.